In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a voiceover in CapCut. So what you first need to do is open up a video or start a new project. So I'm going to click here, new project, and we will find a video. So I'll use this video here of me walking around this gym. So I'm going to select that video and then click add. That's going to then add that video. The first thing I am going to do though is click on the video track, and then I can go ahead and find volume, and I'm going to bring the volume all the way down because I just want my voiceover to be the audio. I don't want any audio from the video. So here's the video of me walking around a pretty big gym in Thailand. Let me know if you've been there in the comment section below. So now what you want to do, you want to go ahead and click off of your clip so you're not on the clip at all, and you want to bring your cursor to wherever you need to start the voiceover. So I'm going to bring it right to the start and I'll commentate from the start. So now you'll get this bar at the bottom appear, and you want to go ahead and click on audio. It will be the second one to the left, and then you can go ahead and scroll over to the right, and here you should see voiceover. So go ahead and click on voiceover, then this window will appear. So now you can either tap or hold and it will start to count down and then play your video and you can do your voiceover. So let's do it together here. So we'll click on this button, allow access to the microphone. It should then start to count down. So here you can see 3, 2, 1. So here is a voiceover. This is me walking around Muscle Factory in Pattaya, which is a very, very big gym. Let me know in the comments if you've been here. So that's the audio done. I pressed obviously the record button and it paused it. So now we can go ahead and click on the tick if we're happy with it. If you're not, you can click delete and do it again. You can enhance the voice and enhance the audio, or you can just do that later in editing anyway. So if we click on the tick, it will then create an audio track, which we can go ahead and click on and edit individually. So you can fade this in, you can split the clip if you made any mistakes and delete out the mistakes. Now let's just give this a listen and just see if it's working. So here is a voiceover. This is me walking around. So I'm not sure if you're able to hear that or not, but the audio track is in the background. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and export it. So click the upwards pointing arrow in the top right hand corner. You can then export that in 1080p with audio. So that's how you do it. I hope that did help you out.